In this video, we will show you how to make simple but awesome slides in PowerPoint. So, let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Picture. Here, I have downloaded a picture from Google. Select and insert it. Go to Insert again, click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this. Go to Insert again, click on Shape, select this shape, drag it like this and adjust. Duplicate the shape, reduce the size, select both and align center, align middle. Click on Group, select Group. Press Ctrl Shift to duplicate, reduce their size, adjust, press Ctrl Shift to duplicate and adjust. Select all three shapes, click on Group, select Ungroup. Select them again in this manner. Go to Merge Shape and select Fragment. Click on Outside. First select the rectangle shape, then select these three shapes. Go to Merge Shape and select Fragment. Now select these three and delete them. Select Shape, go to Shape Fill, select Color using Eyedropper. Select all. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Now select these three shapes one by one and change the color using Eyedropper by going to Shape Fill. Add icon and text boxes. Select this picture. Go to Animation tab, apply Fade Animation. Also increase the duration size. Select this picture, click on Animation Painter and apply on this shape. Select Start with Previous, also increase delay size. Select this shape. Apply Floating Animation. Select Start with Previous, also increase the duration size and delay size. Select and click on Animation Painter and apply on this shape. Go to Effect option, select Float Down. Also increase the duration size and delay size. Click on Animation Painter and apply on this shape. Go to Effect option, select Float Up. Also increase the duration size and delay size. Select Icon, apply Zoom Animation. Select Start with Previous, also increase the duration size and delay size. Select this text box, apply Wipe Animation. Select Start with Previous, also increase the duration size and delay size. Click on Animation Painter and apply on this. Go to Effect option, select from top. Now click on Slide Show. So our slide looks very beautiful. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.